Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix unsupported browser in your Android. So all you have to do now is open the Play Store and try to search the Google Chrome, for example. This is the default browser for my Android. You can tap it and then try to update your Google Chrome from here. Usually if you're using the older version of or a Google Chrome on the Android, sometimes it doesn't work, so you have to keep update the Google Chrome via under Play Store. So here, after you update your Google Chrome, you can open it, and I hope your Google Chrome is on and can help you to browse something that you want. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.